Did you know the world's longest continuous dinosaur tracks belong to the American public? New drone footage showed off the tracks, located in Colorado, known as the West Gold Hill Dinosaur Track. The site features 134 consecutive dinosaur footprints, stomped into the ground around 150 million years ago by a single sauropod. The prints go on for nearly 97 meters. The land containing the tracks was acquired by the GMUG National Forests, and the purchase is something they said would solidify public access and protection of the rare dinosaur tracks. Paths like this are often found along muddy shorelines, although the West Gold Hill Dinosaur Track is found amongst the rugged mountain topography at an elevation of 2,835 meters. The site is extra remarkable as the tracks show the dinosaur sharply turning around in a 270-degree turn, behaviour which is rarely seen in the fossil record. Jim Pitts, acting forest supervisor for the GMUG, said, "By preserving these fossilised imprints, we are not only safeguarding a valuable scientific resource, but also creating an incredible opportunity for the public to connect with the distant past, inspiring curiosity, education and stewardship."